The working principle of a reciprocating air compressor. A two-stage reciprocating air compressor in Georgia is ideal for most demanding industrial applications. They are much stronger than single-stage compressors and can handle more pressure and more capacity. Today we're discussing how these compressors work. Two-stage air compressors. With two-stage air compressors, the air is compressed in two stages, and between the stages, the air is cooled. Stage 1. Air is compressed to medium level, which is the big cylinder, piston. It moves a high volume of air, but at a low pressure. Cooler. Air is cooled back to a much lower level, making the compressor more efficient and reducing stress. Stage 2. The air is compressed further to the end pressure, which is the small cylinder, piston. It moves a lower volume of air, but at a higher pressure. On some models, you can clearly see the two stages, while on others, the low pressure and the high pressure cylinders are cast in one block, making it look like a single stage compressor. Pressure. You need to figure out how much pressure you need. Two-stage reciprocating compressors in Georgia can get up to 175 psi. If you only need 125 psi, it's better to choose a compressor with a lower maximum pressure, but at a higher capacity. Like with any type of compressor, you need to know the amount of air that you will be using before making your decision. If you are unsure about what capacity you need, be sure to review the air compressor buying guide. Two-stage reciprocating compressors go up to about 50 CFM. If you need more, a rotary screw compressor might be a better option. Other things to know when buying a two-stage reciprocating compressor in Georgia. Duty cycle. The duty cycle of almost all two-stage air compressors is 100%, which is one of the reasons they are viewed as being more powerful and durable. This duty cycle indicates that the compressor can run non-stop, without needing time to cool down. In contrast, most single-stage air compressors have a duty cycle of 50% or 75%. Electrical connection. Since two-stage compressors are much larger than single-stage air compressors, the correct electrical connection is very important. Make sure that you have an adequate power supply available at the place where you want to install your compressor. Have it installed by an electrician when necessary. Some compressors can be purchased with either a 1 or 3-phase motor, and you can typically choose between 200 volts, 230 volts, or 460 volts. Make sure you choose the correct type for your application. Larger two-stage compressors are only available as 3-phase machines. Keep in mind that most two-stage air compressors come without any wiring, so you have to supply that too. Curious if reciprocating compressor in Georgia is the best choice for your application? Contact a member of our expert team today, or if you already know what you need, request a free quote.